What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to briefly unlock your Ninebot scooters in 2025-26. So this life hack is working and it's fully free. Currently I've got Ninebot F3 here, but this also working for G3, for ZT3 Pro, for F3 Pro. So for many scooters that are newest from Ninebot company, and maybe for some others. So let's try it out. What you need to do first before unlocking is to close Segway app. So you force stop it here. For me it's already force stop, but if it's not, you need to do it. Then you open Chrome. I keep the link for you here. So actually here is the link, utility beta. So you need to download scooter hacking utility beta version that supports the newest scooters. You can do it by following this link. So click download. I already downloaded, but let's download again. It's anyway fast. Then you click open, install anyway. So it's after installing the scooter, so you can find out your scooter in this scooter hacking utility app. Open, downloading some assets, then you need to wait 30 seconds, agree, and then wait for another 30 seconds, click agree. So I will skip it for now and we'll be back to you. So what you need to do next is go to Flash here, click on load from repo, VCU, and select 154 and click start Flash. So the flash is started, need to wait a bit, initializing. As you see, upgrading appears on your scooter, do not operate during upgrade. So upgrading is ongoing. Step 1 is flashing VCU. So let's finish the process and I will be back to you. Scooter started for second time now, actually still post flashing operation ongoing. And now success, click done. Then you go to tools. So now let's click change the region. Skip it and F3 United States 32 km/h. Then you hear some noise, then it should be restarted actually. Let's wait a bit. Restart it. Then it should appear as a new one. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's actually turned on. F3, let's connect it. So it's connected. As you see now, the version is F3 United States 32 km/h. So maximum speed is 32 km/h here. Then starting speed I put to 0. So let's test it out. As you see, 30 over speed limit reduces speed 32 km/h. Now it can go very easily. You have also much more options available like cruise control and all the others. And that's how you can simply for several minutes unlock your Ninebot scooter in 2025-2026. If you want to see more videos about different scooters, please subscribe to my channel and leave the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.